The diode is a electronic component that allows the current to flow in only one direction. It's made using semiconductor material like silicon or germanium, and it has two terminals. The first one is anode, it is a positive side, and the next one is cathode, it is negative side. When connected properly in a circuit, the diode acts like a one-way valve or electrical current, making it is essential part of many electronic device. When a diode is connected in forward bias, that means the positive voltage to the anode and negative to the cathode. It allows the electric current to pass through. However, if you reverse the connection, that means reverse biased, the diode block the current. This property helps to protect the circuit from damage, especially if the power supply is connected incorrectly. It also helps convert the AC to DC, which is important in power supply circuit. There are different types of diode for different purposes are available. For example, LED. LED means light emitting diode, gives off light. Zener diode can regulate voltage. The Schottky diode are used for fast switching. No matter the type, the basic working principle remains the same, controlling the direction of current flow. This makes the diode very useful in building safe and reliable electronic circuits.